So here we're going to be looking at the design of some future apartments on top of the self-stop development here. So let's go ahead and turn that on. So these are two apartments, one above the garage and one above the atelier. And let's just fly around really quick, get a sense for these. I'm going to show you an idea for a balcony here that I think improves the design and gives us access to these roofs. And I'm going to model it after we're done with this. So this is how those apartments look on top of the proposed development that we have. And here I just wanted to show what I would like to model soon, which would be the balcony to these apartments, which would come out over the top of the roof over the Molina and be part of this whole roof area up here. So it would give a outdoor area for the apartments and also give a covered area, a little bit more enclosed for a covered work area on top of the roof up here. So basically that covered roof would basically be so something like this. So it would cover just a little bit more of the roof. You'd have a little bit more covered work area up here, but still have a lot of open roof. And then these could be doors that open out onto the balcony and make this a really nice extension to that apartment there. So let's take a look at these apartments really quick. So you can see there's two levels. So the lower level above the garage is apartment 1, and then an upper level above the atelier is apartment 2. And the stairs work like this. So you come in the door from the street down below, up one flight of stairs and through into the first apartment here. So right off the door, there's a little kind of little mud area. You could have a stool and some coat hangers, and then the bathroom right there. And then a little hallway with 2 bedrooms off of it. So 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and then into the living area where you could have a kitchen and dining area, and then a little living salon over here. And then here's where you can see the 2 doors going out onto the balcony. Would be really nice and make that a really great 2-bedroom apartment. And then if we continue up the stairs, so out the door, up the stairs to the second level, just up a short flight of stairs. This apartment is smaller. It's one bedroom, so you can see a kitchen dining area, a smaller salon area, and 1 bedroom, and the bathroom upstairs. So that's how those 2 apartments lay out. And so let's look at quickly how we might phase the construction of this for the future. So option 1 would be just to build out the whole thing as one project. So part of that could be building this only as a shell. So it would just be the exterior walls, any interior just structural columns, and the roof. And it would be open space that could be used for storage, but that would be allow the walls and the structure to all be built and enclosed, so you don't have any bits of rebar sticking up waiting for future construction. And that would give you a bunch of storage space up in these areas until you decided to build out the interior, which would be the walls, and then just completing all the plumbing hookups and all the finishes and everything. Or this could be built out in parts also. So the upper portion could be built out because it incorporates the stair tower, and the lower portion could be left off here. Or over the atelier, you could just build the stair tower, which maybe looks a little funny, but at least encloses that whole stair area with a proper roof and gets you ready for the future ones. So all of our structure would have rebar, or future structure would have rebar sticking up ready for a splice. Or the cheapest option would be to leave the slab open. There'd be a parapet wall around here, and then just a temporary shed roof, which could just be a tin roof over the top. Ignore that door. Um, and that would be the least expensive option. And then all the structure splices would be coming up ready for the top portion to be built out once when funds are available. So hopefully that explains in concept what we're looking at proposing for those apartments upstairs and how the different ways we might build that out. All right, thank you.